Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's another Saturday and Jewel and I are sitting by the window watching the birds. We just had our breakfast and it's kind of a cloudy day in New York today. Nothing much is happening. I have to go out and cut the grass, but it's kind of chilly today and I don't feel like going out there. Also, there's a lot of planting to do in my garden, and I'm not motivated to do that today. So I will be sitting inside. Maybe I'll do some Poshmark, cook some lunch, hang out with Jewel by the window, and maybe I'll go out for a little walk just to take in some nice cool air. But that's what's happening. We had some rain recently. Place is kind of gloomy. The flowers are all gone. The peonies should be coming up this week. I see a lot of bulbs. I see a lot of flowers coming up. But that's basically what's going on. Nothing much really happening. A lot happening in the world, but I won't get into that. And I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying the good weather wherever you are. I heard there's no rain in Africa. Yesterday I spoke with my friends from Kenya and they said they don't have any rain since last month. So it's a little dry there. I heard there's a lot of rain in Guyana. I spoke to a few people. But we've had a lot of rain here in New York, and I'm grateful because my grass is growing. Usually in the summer, the grass is growing. Usually in the summer, it gets very dry. Well, I will end this video here. I just want you to have a nice weekend. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your family. Do whatever you want that is beneficial to your well-being. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about my videos. They're just, videos with my animal and myself. There's not much happening. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching.